blogspot.com, and today I'm doing something different, doing something new. It's called Hot Chocolate and Chit Chat. So it's hot chocolate because that's what I'm drinking in here, as far as you know, and it's Chit Chat because being a beauty blogger, it's really hard to marry beauty stuff with your personal life. I tend to rely a lot on social media to do that because anytime in the past where I've tried to incorporate my personal life with a beauty post, it ends up being really long, and then you get that comment of "great pic, want to follow back?" No. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series, that way you can get to know me a little bit better. So y'all sit down, get comfortable, pour you a little cup of something, no judgments here, and let's have some hot chocolate and chit chat. So first of all, hot chocolate in here. How do you like my mug? It's so cute, right? Penguin. It's my winter mug. Okay, really it's my Christmas mug, but I want to keep using it because it's so cute. Speaking of Christmas, how was your Christmas? Did you get to go anywhere, or are you lucky that all your family's in one area? Let me know in the comments below how your holidays were. As for me, Charlie and I, my pup, if you don't know who that is, we headed down to South Georgia, where my family is from. It's about 5 hours away, and we got to see everybody. It was a really good time, including my two nephews who are 5 and 4, and my beautiful niece, baby Stella. Look how cute she is. She's waving hi to me because I'm her favorite, and of course. So, okay, so here we are. 2014, new year, and so far I've had a couple of good things happen and a couple of bad things. As far as bad things, my external hard drive, which I'd gotten in December, completely just died out on me. So all of my blog stuff, past, present, and future, just gone. I sent it off to Best Buy. Hopefully it'll be back in a week. Cross your fingers. But y'all, that's what I get for not procrastinating. But something that was really awesome that happened this past week. On my blog, I shared a post called Why I Take Selfies. And it started off as this really lighthearted tag on just beauty things you're not going to apologize for any longer, like your huge makeup collection or how long it takes you to get ready. And I was tagged by verosays.blogspot.com, and it was just so sweet of her to do that. And it's supposed to be lighthearted and funny, but for me, I got a little serious about it, and something that I wanted to talk to you about for a long time. And I won't go into it here. I will link to it if you haven't read it already. I really encourage you to do that so I can hear your thoughts. But essentially, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for the outpouring of support that you have provided me. It was something really personal and very, very hard to talk about. A lifelong period of hurt and just mean comments people have said to me, and just to know that you guys are just so awesome, and you've been so sweet, and I've tried to get back and return all of the emails that I've gotten. It's a slow process because there are so many of them, but again, thank you. So that's just made my year awesome so far. Y'all, since this is a beauty channel after all, I wanted to talk about two beauty products, one that I really could not stand and ended on a positive note with one that I loved. So I can be really bad at taking beauty advice. I love to give it, of course, that's why I do this. But as far as taking it, I can be bad about that because being on the internet, people feel the need to point out your flaws and tell you what's wrong with you, and things that they think you should fix. And one example, this girl on Instagram, she doesn't follow me any longer, so no big deal there. But she felt the need to point out how frizzy my hair is, which it does get really dry and frizzy. So she said, you've got to try this product, it'll really help out your frizzy hair. And I can kind of tell, I take advice and I will say thank you, but I don't always follow through if I can tell that the person doesn't know what they're talking about, or if I know it's just something that's not going to work for me. So she recommended this. This is the Ion Blow Dry Cream Serum, and it was just awful. The worst beauty product I've ever put in my hair ever. And I love Sally Beauty. I've done posts on them, on my favorite products from there if you want to search for that on the blog. But this was awful. It was a nightmare. It dried my hair out. Like, my hair was damp when I applied it, and it just frizzed it out and then dried it up. So it made it horrible. Horrible, and it took me like several weeks to get it back to where it normally is. And the only product that really helped in combination with hair masks and other things, but to help tame the frizzies, was this Pantene BB cream. And you know, everybody's got a BB cream, and who knows what the BB stands for? Beauty Balm, Beanies, Butts, what? This, I saw it on beautybyariel.blogspot.com. Actually, I'm 90% sure I saw it on beautybyariel.blogspot.com. And she really loved this and recommended it because it does 10 different things, kind of like, it's a 10, you know, but that's liquid form and this is cream. Actually, I'm 80% sure that beautybyariel.blogspot.com liked it. But anyway, it worked for me. It was amazing. I can use this on damp hair, I can use it on dry hair to kind of help tame the frizzies because you don't always want those. So this is a product that I loved. So y'all, that brings me to the end of my first hot chocolate and chit chat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back next month with more things to talk about. In the meantime, visit my blog every single day. I've got new stuff. Sometimes I post more than once a day. I've got a little bit of something for everybody, regardless of your beauty interest level, and I upload here pretty much every week on all sorts of different tutorials and techniques and tips and tricks. So that's it. Have a great day. Be safe, behave, and be well. Bye.